Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day today because it's about to get even better. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to get our entire Thanksgiving meal for free. Yes, Walmart and Ibotta have teamed up yet again this year to give us a free Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get in on this deal. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to know about is the Ibotta Rebate App. If you're not already signed up, I highly recommend it. I have been using this rebate app for years now, and I have saved thousands of dollars. Yes, I said thousands, not hundreds, not a couple of bucks here and there, thousands. So you definitely want to sign up and get in on these savings. So my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below, and Ibotta offers new signups a $20 welcome bonus, so definitely go and check it out. And if you have any questions about the sign-up process or how to use Ibotta, it's pretty simple and easy, but I did do a video on it a long time ago when I first started this channel. It was actually one of my very first videos on how to sign up and use Ibotta, and that is also linked down in the description box, but I will also pin that in the top comment of the comment section. And as always, if you guys have any other questions, just leave it in the comment section and I will be happy to help. Alright guys, so let's find out how to get in on this free Thanksgiving dinner from Ibotta and Walmart. So the first step is to make sure that you are signed up for Ibotta. Now whether you are a new sign up or if you have been with Ibotta for a while now, either way you should be able to get in on this free Thanksgiving meal. Now, I will say that I saw another couponer, shout out to Saving with Miss Fifi. She posted about this deal on Instagram a couple of days ago. Now, she also has a YouTube channel, so if you guys are not already subscribed to her, definitely go and check her out. I'll leave her link to her YouTube channel in the pinned comment down below. So big shout out and thank you to Miss Fifi. But anyways, I saw her post a couple of days ago. I checked my Ibotta app, I checked the website, and I couldn't find anything on the free Thanksgiving meals for this year. So I was beginning to think that Ibotta was only offering the free Thanksgiving dinners to new signups only, but today I opened up my Ibotta app and ta-da, they were all there. So I quickly clipped them all to my account. So that means that everybody can get in on this free Thanksgiving dinner from Ibotta and Walmart. So whether you are a new signup or if you are already signed up on Ibotta, you guys can all get in on this deal. Now, like I said, Saving with Miss Fifi received her rebates a couple of days before me, so don't freak out if you don't have these offers on your account today. I think it's just taking Ibotta, a little bit to roll out these rebates, but definitely keep checking back every day, and as soon as you see those free Thanksgiving rebates, clip them all to your account. Alright, so let's see what's included in our free Thanksgiving meal this year. So first up, we have Idahoan family-sized mashed potatoes, 8 ounces only. Alright, next up we have a free 2-liter of Coca-Cola. You're going to get $1.98 back when you purchase this at Walmart. Next up we have free Bird's Eye frozen vegetables, 10 ounces or larger, and you're going to get $1 back when you purchase these at Walmart. And next up we're going to get a free bag of great value French fried onions, 6 ounces only, and Ibotta is going to give you back $2.28. And we're also going to be able to pick up a free great value can of cranberry jelly, the 14-ounce cans only. You're going to get $1.28 back. And next up, we're going to get a free packet of McCormick Gravy, and Ibotta is going to give you back $1.12 when you purchase this at Walmart. And Ibotta is also giving us a free can of Campbell's Cream of Mushroom Soup, the 10.5-ounce can only. So you're going to get 98 cents back when you purchase that at Walmart. And Ibotta is also throwing in a free Jiffy Corn Muffin Mix, the 8.5-ounce boxes only. They're going to give you back 67 cents. And next up, we're getting a free box of great value flavored stuffing mix, the 6-ounce boxes only. Ibotta is going to give you back 82 cents. Alright guys, so there are all of my free Thanksgiving rebates that I have so far on my account. If I have anything new show up, I will make a post in the community tab and let you guys know about it. And Ibotta is also going to be giving us a free Thanksgiving turkey up to a $15 value, so that is amazing. Now, here's the part where I'm not sure if it's going to be different for new signups versus existing users of Ibotta. So while I was scrolling through my Ibotta app and adding all of my free Thanksgiving dinner rebates, this picture popped up here on my screen and it said, in order to receive my free Thanksgiving turkey up to a $15 value, I had to refer at least one friend to sign up for Ibotta. So that may be the case with existing Ibotta users. You may have to ask one of your friends or family members to sign up with your referral code in order to get your free Thanksgiving turkey. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to be the same case for new signups because obviously I've been with Ibotta for a couple of years now, so I'm not a new signup. But if any of you all out there are going to be a new signup, please let me know down in the comment section below if you received that free turkey rebate automatically or if you also had to refer a friend. Now, if anybody needs help finding a friend to use your referral code so that you can get your free Thanksgiving turkey this year, send me an email with your referral code in it, and I will do my best to help you guys out, okay? I don't want anybody to be left out on this deal, and I want everybody to have a free Thanksgiving dinner this year. But before you send me an email, please think really long and hard about who in our life does not have an Ibotta account. So we have family members, so your husband, your wife, your partner, your kids. We have friends, co-workers, neighbors, church members, whoever. Let's spread the word about Ibotta, and they're going to get a free Thanksgiving meal out of it too. So it's a win-win for both you and the person that's going to be signing up. Alright guys, so now that we know what is included in this free Thanksgiving dinner and we know what step 1 is, of course, go ahead and sign up for an Ibotta account. Then you're going to open your app, you're going to see a screen just like this one here. And because Ibotta and Walmart teamed up to give us this awesome deal, you're going to click on Walmart. Then a little screen just like this one here will pop up and you're going to choose in-store grocery offers. And you should see a category specifically for the free Thanksgiving dinner. So right up there at the top, you see free Thanksgiving dinner. Then you have for you and what's hot. And then there's some other categories on down the line. But you want to choose free Thanksgiving dinner. Then you want to add all of these free Thanksgiving offers to your account. So make sure that every offer that you see in this category has a check mark. And step 3 is the best step. We're going to go shopping. So you're going to head to Walmart and you're going to look for all of these items included in these rebates. Now, I know that sometimes whenever I'm in the store and I'm looking for Ibotta rebates, sometimes it can be a little bit confusing to find out which particular item is eligible for that cashback rebate, okay? But here is a quick little tip that you can do. You can click on the rebate itself and you're going to see a screen that looks just like this one right here. And right down there at the bottom, it says check product barcode. So you can open up your Ibotta app while you are in the store, click on the rebate that you're not sure of, and then click check product barcode. Then a barcode scanner will show up on your screen and it'll look just like this one pictured here. You're going to pick up the item, you're going to scan the barcode. And at the top of your screen, Ibotta will tell you whether the offer matches or does not match. Now, if the offer matches, it will be in a green banner at the top of your screen. If the offer does not match, it will be in red. Alright, so now that we have all of our free Thanksgiving dinner items in our cart, we're going to go up to the front of the store, we're going to check out, and we're going to head home. Then, once you get home, you're going to open up your Ibotta app, and you're going to see a screen just like this one here, and you're going to click Redeem. It is right down there at the bottom. And here's the next screen that's going to pop up on your phone, and you're going to click Walmart. And then you're going to see a screen that looks just like this one here, and it's going to ask you to scan your barcode at the bottom of your receipt, so you're just going to click Continue. And then this barcode scanner will show up on your screen, and you're just going to take a quick little picture of your barcode at the bottom of your receipt. And then Ibotta is going to tell you which rebates you picked up during that shopping trip, and bam, you're done. So it's as simple as that. Make sure you're signed up for Ibotta, clip all of the Thanksgiving offers to your account, go to Walmart, pick the items up, come home, scan your receipt, and you get all of your money back. And if you are new to Ibotta, this could even turn out to be a money-making deal for you because, like I said, Ibotta does have a $20 welcome bonus. And if you're already signed up for Ibotta, here's a way that you can make the deal even sweeter. So this is what I did last year. I waited until we had a weekend bonus. That's when I went to Walmart and picked up all of my free Thanksgiving dinner items, and all of those free after rebate offers counted toward my weekend bonus. So if you do it that way, you're getting a free Thanksgiving dinner, plus you're getting paid to go to the store and pick up the items. So that makes the deal even sweeter. So be on the lookout for those midweek bonuses and those weekend bonuses. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now, but y'all let me know if you get in on this free Thanksgiving dinner deal. And also, don't forget, we're doing a November P&G insert giveaway. I'm going to be announcing the winners tomorrow morning, so you still have time to enter to win. If you want to check it out, I'm going to leave that video linked down in the pinned comment below. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.